Girl forced to give up her dog experiences a strange twist of fate years later. Goodbyes are never easy, especially when it's a best friend or even a beloved pet. You've created great memories together, and the realization that it's come to an end is often heartbreaking. Though we all experience this, it doesn't make it any easier. When Nicole Grimes was a young girl, her grandmother bought her a puppy. 4 years later, unforeseen events forced her to give up her furry best friend, and she was heartbroken until a twist of fate changed everything. As an only child growing up in Pennsylvania, Nicole Grimes entertained herself as best as she could, but her imagination only took her so far. On her 10th birthday, however, she received a very special gift, a Pomeranian Poodle mix she named Chloe. Nicole's grandmother bought her the adorable pet because she knew her granddaughter would enjoy a companion, not to mention a new way to keep herself busy. Nicole's new furry buddy was the perfect solution. Nicole was 14. Her father landed a new job that required him to work from his home office every day. The whole family was relieved he found work, but it meant something heartbreaking for Nicole and Chloe. Because Chloe barked frequently, they had to give her up for adoption. It was a difficult choice for Nicole's whole family, but her father simply couldn't focus on his work with Chloe making so much noise. Nicole's life felt like it came to a screeching halt. Her dearest friend, the tiny puppy she shared her home with, would be gone forever. She spent their final day together, holding Chloe close and cherishing their memories. Early the next morning, Nicole's father drove them both to the local Humane Society so they could surrender Chloe together. The shelter was quite reputable, and that gave them some much-needed comfort. Nicole returned home in tears that morning. Her father was equally as distraught for being the sole reason his daughter had to part ways with her beloved pet, but he didn't see any other option. 8 years passed, and Nicole, now 22, still thought about Chloe often. Even though she tried, she never found out what became of her childhood pooch. Nicole was married and had a baby girl of her own, but she always kept Chloe in the back of her mind. Nicole wanted her daughter to experience the joy of having a family dog as she grew up. So, one afternoon, she used Facebook to see if any local shelters had puppies available for adoption. She was intrigued by one in particular. While she was combing through dozens of puppy pictures, she came across an older dog. Strange enough, her name was Chloe. It must have been a sign. Nicole didn't plan on adopting a senior dog, but something about this one just tugged at her heartstrings. Nicole decided to adopt the senior dog. The paperwork was signed and new Chloe came home to meet the family. Something about her comforted Nicole, even if it was just that she reminded her of the beloved pet she once had as a child. Nicole remembered how affectionate her former puppy was when she was a kid, and knew Chloe was equally as loving. As soon as she arrived home to meet the family, it was nothing but kisses. Could it be? The more time Nicole spent with Chloe, the more she wondered, what were the odds that this was the same dog she lost as a child? There were too many similarities for her to put it out of her mind, so she decided to get to the bottom of it. Nicole brought new Chloe to the veterinarian to see if her microchip number matched old Chloe's. Her husband felt she was setting herself up for disappointment, but he eventually agreed to join her, if only for his wife's peace of mind. Nicole called the Humane Society where she and her dad left Chloe 8 years earlier and received her microchip number. When she arrived at the doctor's office, the veterinarian scanned Nicole's new dog and compared chip numbers. Unbelievably, it was an exact match. After 8 years apart, fate reunited Nicole and Chloe. She and her husband were dumbfounded. The numbers were identical. Nicole learned Chloe had been adopted by an elderly couple shortly after she gave her to the Humane Society, and she lived happily with them until they passed away. She was then taken in by another family who, unfortunately, couldn't keep her. But now, after 8 long years of missing her friend, Chloe and Nicole were once again a team. Although Chloe couldn't verbalize that she did, in fact, remember Chloe, she sure acted like it. The whole family fell in love with Chloe, even before they realized she was the same dog from Nicole's childhood. Chloe gave each member of the family an enormous amount of affection, including Nicole's baby daughter, Violet. Nicole was thankful, and still slightly mind-blown, that she was able to reunite with Chloe so many years after she first said goodbye. Nicole had no intention of ever letting go of 11-year-old Chloe again. Now they get to pick up right where they left off, with more family to love too. Families who've had dogs since they were small pups form intimate bonds with their four-legged companions, and when kids create memories of playing fetch and tug-of-war with their furry, energetic friends, they form truly unbreakable bonds. One family from Texas loved their dog to no end, which made it all the more painful when, one afternoon, the pooch disappeared. But just like when Nicole thought she said goodbye to Chloe forever, fate had other plans in mind. Isla Robles grew up with dogs, so when she married and had children, she knew it was only a matter of time before her family welcomed a canine into their home. She had a special soft spot for Labradors. When Isla's son and daughter, Joshua and Jesslyn, were only a few months old, Lola the dog entered their lives, and it was love at first sight for every single family member. The kids immediately took to the Golden Labrador, and after late evenings tossing the tennis ball and long walks with her on Saturday mornings, they developed a special bond. As Lola and the two Robles children grew up, they spent every available moment hanging out together. In fact, if you asked Joshua and Jesslyn, they would have admitted they thought of Lola as another sibling. One summer afternoon, Joshua and Jesslyn went out into the backyard to play with Lola. However, when the children called for her, she was nowhere to be found. After searching the property, they feared the worst. A frantic Joshua and Jesslyn ran inside and told Isla. She and her husband hopped into their car and combed every square inch of their neighborhood, but it was true, Lola had disappeared. An entire 12 months went by with no word from anyone about Lola. They asked friends and neighbors, but no one knew anything. The dog was gone, and the family was devastated. Questions mounted for the family, who could never stop wondering what Lola's ultimate fate was. Had somebody found her? Was she living somewhere else with another family? Answers were impossible to come by, until one morning. On that day, Isla answered the phone and was greeted by an unfamiliar voice. On the other end, an employee at Dallas Animal Services announced they had stunning news. Isla's mouth dropped as she heard the voice on the other end tell her they found Lola. Isla hopped in the car and drove to the shelter, wondering if that could possibly be true. Sure enough, when Isla stepped into the shelter, a familiar face greeted her. There was the beloved Golden Labrador, Lola. Eyes wide and tail furiously wagging. Joyous day! Lola had been microchipped as a puppy, so when the workers from Dallas Animal Services brought her in, a simple scan of her microchip let them know she was the Robles' dog. But Isla had questions. For instance, how had it taken a whole year for the family to get Lola back? Where had she been all that time? And how had she found her way to the shelter now? Obviously, Lola couldn't tell her owners what happened, but because she looked well-fed and cared for, the workers assumed she had been staying with another family. While Isla wouldn't ever get the truth behind Lola's disappearance, this didn't diminish her overwhelming joy. Elated, Isla couldn't wait to tell Joshua and Jesslyn the news. Isla called the house to make sure her kids were home, and she kept Lola in the back seat so the kids couldn't see her when the van pulled into the driveway. This way, the surprise would hit as hard as possible. As soon as Isla pulled into the driveway, Joshua and Jesslyn greeted her, curious as to why their mother wanted to know they were home and what she wanted to show them in the trunk. They soon had their answers. Both children stared in awe as the dog they'd grown up with for years leaped out of the bag. Jesslyn started crying, and Joshua couldn't stop hugging the long-lost family member. It felt too good to be true, but it wasn't. The Robles were a full family again at last. The family celebrated by taking their newly returned dog out for a play session. Look at her go! To this day, the mystery remains. Where the heck had she gone for an entire year? Still, many animals who go missing never return. The Robles were just incredibly lucky to have their Golden Labrador back. That is all for today. If you like this story, be sure to share with your friends and family. See you later.